In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall DaVinci Resolve from your computer using the control panel. Whether you're looking to free up some space, troubleshoot an issue, or simply part ways with the program, following these steps will help you accomplish that smoothly. First things first, we need to head over to your computer's control panel. To do this, move your cursor down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. This opens up the Start menu, and from there, you'll want to look for Control Panel. If you don't see it immediately, you can use the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu. Simply type in Control Panel and then press Enter. This will bring up the Control Panel for you. Once you're in the Control Panel, your next goal is to locate the Uninstall a Program option. This option is typically found under the Programs category, but if your Control Panel is set to a different view, such as small or large icons, just look for Programs and Features. Clicking on Uninstall a Program will take you to a list of all the software installed on your computer. Now, this list can be quite extensive, so don't worry if it takes a moment to locate the program you want to uninstall. What you're looking for in the list is DaVinci Resolve. If you have many programs installed, you can use the search feature at the top right of the window. Type in DaVinci Resolve and your computer will highlight it for you. After you've found DaVinci Resolve in the list, take a deep breath and right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with a few options, and you're going to select Uninstall from this menu. Now, it's important to note that some versions might have a prompt asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the program. If you see this prompt, go ahead and confirm your choice by clicking Yes or OK, whichever appears. Once you've begun the uninstallation process, your computer will take it from there, beginning to remove DaVinci Resolve from your system. This can take a few minutes, and during this time, it's essential not to shut down your computer or interrupt the process. Just let it do its thing until you see a message stating that DaVinci Resolve has been successfully uninstalled. And that's all there is to it. With DaVinci Resolve uninstalled, you might want to restart your computer just to ensure everything resets properly, although this step isn't strictly necessary. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll do our best to assist. Have a great day.